What is the JADE MBA application process like? Are you curious about how to navigate the application process for a joint Juris Doctor and Master of Business Administration program? Let's break it down step by step. First off, applying for a JADE MBA program usually means you need to apply to both the law school and the business school. Some universities offer a joint application system, while others requiring separate applications. When you apply, you will need to submit standard materials for each school. This typically includes your academic transcripts, standardized test scores, letters of recommendation, personal statements, and your resume. For law school, you will likely need to take the law school admission test, while business schools may requiring the graduate management admission test or the graduate record examination. However, some programs might waive the test requirement. Many law schools use a centralized application service, like the Law School Admissions Council, for their admissions process. Business schools often have their own application portal. Some universities have a centralized joint application specifically for the JADE MBA program, allowing you to apply to both schools simultaneously. For instance, the University of Chicago has a joint application process with specific deadlines and requirements. If you are already a law student, you might have the option to apply to the MBA portion after starting your law studies. This usually happens during your first or second year, depending on the program's rules. This flexibility can be beneficial if you decide to pursue the dual degree after beginning your legal education. The application timeline typically includes multiple rounds, with deadlines in the fall and winter months. After you submit your application, you can expect to receive notification of admission decisions a few months later. Some programs even have special application rounds for current graduate students or those transitioning from undergraduate studies. When it comes to financial aid and scholarships, these are usually handled separately by each school. You will pay tuition to the school you are registered with each semester. Merit-based scholarships may be available based on your joint application, and you generally do not need to submit additional materials beyond what is required. In summary, the JADE MBA application process involves applying to both the law and business schools, submitting comprehensive application materials, meeting specific deadlines, and being accepted by both schools before you can start the program. It's essential to plan ahead to meet the requirements of both programs effectively.